Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Usembut Menteri Rangba ka Jela ubekmi ia tenat penroisor bat kiwe kitanan ba Sniaw bhalang dhar. Menteri tenat jengok kai perthei ba poling do hakasan tri unailar arajar apusan. Kilalet jengok ginong di madan belapin kendria sya parking lot ka Meghalaya Urban Development Authority hakendailar. Ringkat kejing sendan lang jong ke ofisa naga Shillong Municipal Board bat ketenat penroisor kini gi arngut ki menteri ke sorkar Jela ubah Sniaw bhalang dhar bat ubah poling do kilalet di isyaru hakuwei negi dukan unong di madan ha parking lot.
About how many households? Aku telah kulit habis. Yo. Apa ispak ber?
This is a great sign.
Yeah.
It's a great sign to have access.
Oi, bro. Hello no. Dah. Ah.
Alhamdulillah.
Hai, hello. Hai. Hello.
It looks so disciplined. See? It's official vending zone.
The washroom here, let you know. Oh, one floor lower.
Everything.
Water.
Out here we have kick inverter. Inverter, there is no there is inverter.
Yeah. Oh, you already have it.
Already inverted. Yes, sir.
Ah, clear there. Hmm.
Controls lah, Myra. It's a good place, sir. Nice to see you all. She's so nice.
Sedang dia. Lah dia. Dah sedang tu, Mam.
Kinong di kim
Di
dia tu.
Lablin.
Kinong di kim dia tu pelong yo. See, that is business. That is business.
All clothes.
To have a separate.
Oh,
I
you
can
have.
wash, sir. I can wash.
Okay. No, mistake.
Tapi yang dia kan sedang
Dang su sedang be. Dang su sedang dah. Oh, don ba. Dapat kan ma. Ada orang give real. Baik bak wayawan yuan. Ma. Kaisa ji. Kaisa ji. Apa lagi? Sale ke? Sale om no. Dang su sedang dah ma. Don ma. Sa no. Sa cai. Aku siap ada. Pasal sini mah. Boleh. Di sa no. Cai. Betul. Biang. Biang. Ah, dah susah deh. Oh.
Oh, that is a good sign. Good sign. Mulai itu si malami sini ni orang juga tak kamu lalu.
Heavy seal. Nice. So yang ada, senang jump. Orang jangan ini jangan. Mau biru. Hah? Niklim. Oh, pasal sini mah.
Maksimum mana ni Shillong area sini.
Ujung ni sudah. Dong no. Lei. Pinang no. Empat.
Where is the food?
Hmm.
Kalau pakai di weekend je. Up. Esa sikit. Lof.
Oh, kedap.
Kila batai gini. Dang susah nomor berapa toilet itu dang susah sana.
Ini makan.
Tu bakai. Oh bakai.
Ini.
Light. Hey.
Tamis. Apa bahas tadi dia, Ruben?
Hindi itang. Hindi.
Very organized.
Kano kita pi apa? Oh.
Construct overhaul.
Cover. Here, this side. Okay. Yang ini ke langkum kan?
Okay, so tadi bila yung lagi yung block yung pipe ng Muda. Tinggal dia yung Muda ay ko dari situ.
Oh, lagi tap.
Cover ya?
Cover nalor. Melakap nalor langkum siya kan?
Ay bisa.
Kahase. Nang no. Dopi kan so. No.
Ya, is nog weer?
Nee?
Oh, no, stun. Oh, best.
Ini ingat di Ringmas. Jadi body sport kabar. Kabar kepala sama shift ini ya. Ini sini
Boleh.
Ingin yang shift ini shift sini dalam kami blok ya ingin ya shift sini body kuai itu nak kami blok apa. Apa macam itu. Kami hanya body kuai itu opposite lagi yang
Long tang bab khang ni kiwai te. Tang bab khang ni
ini
kiwai
yang
kan?
ingin dan bisa apa bagi pak. Lagi dan bisa apa ini dalam kami dalam
Nang ni nei. Jompi. Nang no. Dish nang no.
Siya gusto mo ba lang?
Oh, belang. Belang apa? Ya, konsumsi.
Mau kedua konstituensi.
Oh, jom papai. Nado
Aracar perang.
ada laksana baru.
Selain
Lakam laang ni bi, sibot.
sulap lang ni tang di pelajaran.
Tidak susah nanti. Tang artayo te siya no bi, beri tang tip rupa
Nanti
pa.
ang sisipatan ka.
Dah. Kan sawan ni. Tapi gitu.
Spices na kawan.
Dari siya mo. Siya ada ba? Ma. Tap naka tunom na. Ay mo
Ay,
kada.
silap no.
Ha, tap na lor. Tap na lor.
Mele.
Apo laang ay mo kada. Taman sa tray. Ma.
This is the sign of tasty food here. Very good. This is very nice. The cup is small, but the taste is wonderful.
Yes, right.
Kini di street di Bangla. Masam hari ini semua.
Kap kasi. Punsa area. Ha? Jail road. Jail road.
No, sini. Bilang. Sini is good, yes.
We'll go to roadside first. Yeah. Let's select best. Yeah, somewhere here. Signage. More. Welcome signage. Shalong there. This is best. Yes. Central. This is central. But designed it well, ma. So finish your presentation. Ma. Gin say. Ma. Alright.
This is too big now. Nice. That's it, right?
Hindi di belong. Like.
Jadi kahit ada. See, now we see the space.
Really
Now we
fast.
see the space.
All of them. Now there's so much space we can do a lot. Ma. tung sentil tung ấy đã lại
Dan jiwa, dan jiwa.
What is that? No, no. Yeah, and it does not obstruct movement also. That's great. Yeah. Bộ đồng rồi, không đi từ lắm lắm nhỉ? Việc đồng. Yeah. And this will be LED display. Yeah.
This is the
Yes.
corner of
Kalau dong tuh mukul Times Square itu. Appropriate space.
and make sure this wire is covered.
Yeah, gini looks ugly. One of the few states that has also come up with cash incentives for hawkers. Other state governments elsewhere in the country have only given them space, but we have given them not just space but also facilities like drinking water, construction of washrooms, and proper electricity. And that apart, this cash incentive, which also includes, it comes totally to an amount of 20,000 rupees per vendor. So it's a huge incentivization for these street hawkers.
It was 10,000 rupees.
10,000 plus 2,000 into 5 months, that comes to 20,000.
And total how much amount government is giving? In
You
total?
multiply that by 282. We have just gained a major landmark victory in the sense that the busiest commercial center of the state capital has now been cleared of hawkers. So give us some breathing space also as we move along. And we have already announced the pedestrianization of Kandala. This will happen. So things will fall into place as was stated by Honorable Deputy CM. And we hope to see that the process moves rapidly and eases movement of pedestrians and traffic across the state capital.
Hey, up, ruko. Shwa fin shet da kajo shi kajo ko umpiang balapin don kam. Up shwa, namar kaneka kta ya kakot kakya jong fi pat kamaryang rukum jo. Da ka bashet da kaneka umpiang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry, pim day pat bante shanala ne bantang pendono. Henry, minta ka ruko neka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban penkala ya kaneka umpiang syaka biodiesel. Tinamar kata lemba ka ruko kakot kakya pat kamaryang rukan umktasyo.